Hi, Cliff from Beck Systems. Today I'd like to share a little tool I wrote, sndtool, and it's a little audio tool written in Go. It's a terminal user interface, so they call this TUIs. And the idea is this tool is a lightweight, fast tool that you can run from the terminal to modify tags on audio files, so like help organize things. It can move things around, and it can also function as an audio player. So to install, go to Releases, find the release for your system. The Windows version's a little rough, so if anyone wants to work on that, that would be appreciated. So let's do a little demo. You can check the version. You can also update it from the command line. So this will download check if there's a newer version and download it and install it if available. So sndtool is meant to be run inside of a directory with music files. So it will create a database, and you can see that here, the sndtool.db. And this database has all the tracks and just the basic information on each track. So there's 3 tabs. There's a library tab, and this is more of an MP3 tag view. There's a queue. These are the files that have been queued to be played. And then there's a files view where you can actually go through and actually browse it like you file manager. You can edit tags, you can move files around, rename things, just basically manage your files. You can hit enter on a file to see the details, hit edit, and now we can go ahead and edit the tags for this file. You can also edit tags at a directory level, and then this will apply these tags to all the files in that directory. So when it fires up, it remembers where you left off, so I can hit Shift S to resume playing. And Shift down will move to the next track. I can scroll through a track with Shift arrows, and so on. So the library has an interesting way to search. You can type album, artist, genre, and so on. So I can search for all the artists. I can also do album, and then this displays by album. I can add qualifiers like Christmas, and then you can also chain searches and things like that. If you do track, this shows all the tracks. Again, we can add search qualifiers, and we can even do more than one term, like search for Christmas and holy, and so on. So the idea is it's not really a conventional browsing interface, but it's more meant to be like a very fast query language where you can quickly find albums or artists and so on. So anyway, it's been a fun exercise, and it's learning a little bit more about how to write TUIs, or terminal user interfaces, for applications that run in the terminal. I think this is going to be a big thing in the future, and so one of the goals of this project is to just get a little experience doing that. So hopefully that's helpful. If this looks interesting to you, please try it out. It's easy to use, and let me know how it goes. File issues, contributions are welcome. Thanks.